Hello everyone, I'm Liashenko and I want to present this work with the title The Determination and Visualization of key concepts related to the training of chatbots. The actuality of research. Why I consider this topic relevant is that recently there has been a rapid growth of interest and research in the field of chatbot creation and training. Leading IT companies like Google, Meta, OpenAI, Microsoft are actively working on chatbot development. In particular, OpenAI ChatGPT project has received widespread attention. At the bottom of the slide, you can see the logos of these companies from left to right: Google, Meta, OpenAI, Microsoft. The research aims the identification and visualization of key concepts related to the training and chatbots. According to the goal, the following main research tasks were identified. First, conduct a bibliometric analysis of sources on the issue of training chatbots to identify key research concepts. The second, identify the most significant key concepts of the research and construct a map of their relationships. The research methods used were: bibliometric analysis of search results for a. Identify the chronological boundary from which there has been a steady increase in the number of applications on the research topic. B. Creating a map of relationships between keywords. C. Grouping keywords into clusters. And D. Identify key research concepts. Language models like GPT 4.0 and other were also used to generate assumptions about cluster names for keywords. To determine in which documents the key research concepts training and ChatGPT appeared, research was performed in the Scopus database. Only these documents were selected in which the words chatbot and training appeared in the titles, abstract, and keywords. The total number of documents at the time of the search was 549 documents. The documents found in the Scopus database were exported in CSV format by sorting the keywords alphabetically. It was possible to determine which of them differed only by a number, that is, whatever the words were in the singular or plural, and bring all the words to the singular. For example, the file contained the words human and humans. A replacement was made to the singular, so only human, and so on with all the words. Here on the slide you can see the distribution of documents by year. You can see that since 2018 there has been a steady increase in the number of publications on this topic, and in 2023 there was a very significant increase in documents, possibly due to the opening ChatGPT to the public from the closed beta. The slide shows a map created with the following parameters. The total number of keywords was 3705, but it was reduced to 58 by discarding these that occur less than 12 times. From the selected words, the words article was additionally deleted as not specific to the search query. On slide 9, using various chatbots, a request was created to determine cluster names. The request was created in English on November 13, 2023, and contained information about the number of clusters and keywords belonging to each cluster. Suggestions for cluster names and content were expected from the chatbot, but the final result was made by a human, and the best option for cluster names were selected procedurally according to this principle. In my opinion, A1, A4, A5, A6 was the best. Looking to the slide, you can see which chatbots are recommended for this task. This also shows that using the Bing chatbot in strict models for creative tasks is not a great idea. Slide 10 shows the distribution of these results into 4 clusters. Each of them contains key concepts that were closely related to each other. Using my own system for evaluating the significance of these keywords, the most important words were identified. How this evaluation system works. Words that have the greatest value in their column received 2 points. The word in second place received 1 point. In this list you can see ChatGTP, which in my opinion can be considered the reason for the significant increase in the number of documents in 2023, an increase by 55 documents compared to 2022. Also, ChatGTP is not the most significant word in my list. This is due to the fact that this word is the newest, 2023, and has not yet received maximum attention from researchers in new scientific publications. To create the final map of links between the most significant keywords, all words that scored at least 1 point were added. It has become much smaller in terms of the number of words, but shows important words better than the previous map. Conclusions. The bibliometric analysis of sources on chatbot training aimed to identify key concepts and visualize their relationships. The results. First, since 2018, there has been a growth in publications on chatbot training, with a significant uptick in 2023, likely due to increased interest after the release of ChatGTP. Second, 4 main clusters of research were delighted: natural language processing, application of NLP technologies in society, machine learning for NLP, and chatbots in education and services. Third, within each cluster, the most significant concept point to current priorities: improving language understanding and models in NLP, controlled use of large models like GTP, leveraging virtual assistants and NLP interfaces, and applying chatbots for learning. In summary, this analysis has systematically delineated the conceptual landscape around chatbot training, while revealing growth trends and research priorities. Thanks for attention.